17 regions of the Philippines. Region, province, and capitals. Region 1, Ilocos Norte, capital Laog City. Ilocos Sur, capital Bigan City. La Union, capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, capital Ligayan City. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, capital Basco. Cagayan, capital Tuguegarao City. Isabela, capital Iligan. Nueva Vizcaya, capital Biyumbong. Quirino, capital Cabarrogios. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, capital Baler. Bataan, capital Barangay City. Bulucan, capital Malolo City. Pampanga, capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, capital Palayan City. Tarlac, capital Tarlac City. Zambales, capital Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, capital Batangas City. Cavite, capital Tres Marias City. Laguna, capital San Cruz. Quezon, capital Lucena City. Rizal, capital Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa, Marinduque, capital Buak. Occidental Mindoro, capital Mamburao. Oriental Mindoro, capital Calapan City. Palawan, capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, capital Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, capital Daet. Camarines Sur, capital Pili. Catanduanes, capital Birac. Masbate, capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, capital Sorsogon City. Region 7, Western Visayas. Aklan, capital Calibo. Antique, capital San Jose. Capiz, capital Roa City. Gumaras, capital Jordan. Iloilo, capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, capital Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, capital Naval. Eastern Samar, capital Burungan City. Leyte, capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, capital Maasim City. Western Samar, capital Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, capital Malaybay City. Camiguin, capital Mangbahaw. Lanao del Norte, capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, capital Barincas City. Misamis Oriental, capital Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao. Bastila Valley, capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, capital Digo City. Davao Oriental, capital City Mate. Region 12, South Sargent. Cotabato North, capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, capital Alabel. South Cotabato, capital Corondonal City. Sultan Kudarat, capital Isulan. Region 13, Cagara. Agusan del Norte, capital Cababaran City. Agusan del Sur, capital Prosperidad. Dinagat Islands, capital San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, capital Tagdan City. Arm Region, Autonomous Region, and Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, capital Basilan. Lanao del Sur, capital Marawi City. Maguindanao, capital Sarap Agupot Maganoy. Sharif Kabunsuan, capital Dato. Uden Sinsuat, Sulu, capital Hulu. Tawi-Tawi, capital Paglima Sugal. CR Region, Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, capital Bangued. Payo, capital Cabugao. Benguet, capital La Trinidad. Fugao, capital Lagiwi. Kalinga, capital Tabok. 50 Province, capital Buntok. NCR Region, National Capital Regions. Cities, Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Nabotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Valenzuela, Municipality of Pateros.